Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn how can you download Microsoft Teams. So for downloading it, click on Window key on the keyboard and then search here Microsoft Store and then open it. And then here search for Microsoft Teams. Now here you can see this is showing Microsoft Teams. Click on it. So as I have already installed it and that's why it is showing update. In UK it will show install, so click on that. Now just wait. So here you can see it is installing, so just wait, it is almost done. So as you can see it is installed. Now click on Window and search here Microsoft Teams and here it is, so click on it. So here you can see the Microsoft Team is launched. Now you can start taking meetings. So hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.